Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nalu. Today we're going to be reviewing the Lacie 5TB portable hard drive. This product right here, I got it from Apple to help with the storage on my computer with filming videos and uploading to YouTube and all the crafting projects that I do. So with this video, we're going to unbox, review, and do a little setup guide. So let's hop into that video. My name is Nalu and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Lacie 5TB mobile drive. It's an external portable hard drive. I got this for myself because I got this from Apple for myself because I have a Mac and I started to work or do YouTube, and so I need a little bit more space on my computer to kind of handle the storage that I need since my Mac decides to run really slow when I have too many videos on there and I don't want to like delete videos. So I bought this external hard drive because I did some research and this is what they had suggested. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this puppy up. And see what comes inside with it. Alright, so it comes with quite a few stuff here in the package. First observations or at first glance of it, it's really nice. It's very portable. It's really small. It has a nice, beautiful design. I love the color of it. I love the feel of it. Feels nice and heavy. So yeah, it's really nice. It does come with the USB-C and then the USB 3.0, I believe it's called. So depending on what you need for your computer, like mine would use it with, I'm thinking it's the USB 3 that that's compatible with my computer. Don't quote me on that. I'm not a tech guy. I'm just showing you what I have and what I'm doing. Okay. So with that, it looks like there's some instructions here for you, and maybe a warranty card of sorts in different languages. Okay, so we'll put that to the side, and let's go ahead and fire this thing up and put it onto the computer. Okay, let's go ahead and get this connected to our MacBook. Okay, so this pop-up comes up. Okay, so after reading that pop-up, you can make the decision on what you want to do with that. I decided not to do that. I'll come back to it later. I back up my MacBook in the cloud, so I don't think I need that. As you can see right here in the right-hand corner, there's a Lacie pop-up, and it has a little icon for the external hard drive. Looks like there's some files in here. Warranty, start here Mac. So let's go ahead and double click start here Mac. Okay, so it looks like it's loading. All right, so it looks like it's gonna have you register your product. Okay, so it looks like we have it there. Alrighty, so we'll go ahead and create a new folder, and I'm gonna call this my YouTube folder, and we should be able to move everything over. And inside this folder, I'm gonna create some subfolders just so that I can be a little bit more organized when it comes to looking for stuff on the drive. Okay, so once you've created all your folders, you just shift all your information over to the corresponding folders. Okay, so once you finish creating all your folders, you can move all the information that you need to from your desktop to the portable hard drive. Once you've done that, they should be off of your hard drive and into the portable hard drive. And that should be how it's done. Okay guys, so that's how easy it was to set that thing up onto your desktop. It's really plug and play, super simple to use. Drag in files from the device to your computer, super simple, super fast. I use iMovie a lot, and being able to just directly download the videos from the hard drive directly into iMovie is super nice. So if you're a YouTube person and you like and you want to use that, it's super simple, like I said a million times. Anyways, so I did get this product from Apple. I got it from their website. They do have 3 different options on this. They have a 2 terabyte, a 4 terabyte, and a 5 terabyte. They're all different prices. The 2 terabyte right now is $89.95, but prices do change, so you know, do your job, do your due diligence, and go check the website. Of course, prices change, so this price might not be the same when you're watching this video. This one that I paid to for mine was $149.95, and with that I did pay the extra cost for a 2-hour delivery, which is really nice. I didn't even know that they offer that, but that was directly from Apple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit a thumbs up for that like button, and please subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more reviews on products that I'm using for all my crafting and stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one.